Hey YouTube, welcome. This is my very first video, how to make money online, inspired by my friend multimillionaire Mr. Kristani. Likewise, I want to show you something very new, very specific, and very unique. I didn't see any video about how to make money on Canva. Alright, we all know graphics designer. What is Canva working for? What is Canva we needed? And you can make thumbnail, logo, poster, resume. So I'm not going deeper on this subject. I want to show you two things. Just first off, how to make second is how to make money, and first is designing school. Designing school is very important for you. Like when you click on designing school, it will take you in this page. So what is actually working for? When you click on start course, just wait, and then okay, on Canva, this madam will teach you 1 to 6 courses about Canva.com, how you use it, how you can, edit your video. Okay, so if you want more tutorial about this, scroll down and you'll find courses, you will find tutorials, you will find Canva Pro. Like they are giving you all the video, if it is 17 video, 2 video, 4 video, right? Okay, we will see example from this Canva Pro. Like if you click on it, and then they will bring you in that, and then you see 17 completed, 17 videos they have. You can watch all of them. You can learn how to make like poster, how to make ad, how to make logo. So I think you can watch this one, right? Like that. So you watch the video and you will learn, and then you will go to work. So now let's jump to our main conversation, and it's that how to earn money from Canva.com. When you come here, I will give you a link. Link will be in description below. When you come over here, how you can make money, just 3 steps. One is register as an affiliate marketing. So we all know what is affiliate marketing actually is it. And then promote Canva Pro. What you will promote? Let's read here. When you visitor click a link and sign up to Canva Pro, you make money. That means when you sign it up in this page, they will give you link, and you will post it in social media or everywhere you want. And then your friend click on this link and come in the Canva, and then they will open Canva Pro account. So how you will earn, how much you will earn? Okay, you will earn an up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber. So every subscriber clicking in your link, and then they open their Canva Pro account in the Canva website, you will get 36. So if your 100 friends cleaning up, and you know how much you are earning, right? Okay, now I will show you what is Canva Pro actually. Okay, Canva Pro, like if we come in edit to, like if you want to edit something in Canva, okay, we will get the picture. This is called free picture. This is free picture. You can get it and you can work on it. If you want something called Pro from Canva, they will give you watermark on your picture. You cannot work on it, you cannot save on it. If you want to save, the watermark will be on your picture. So if you want to remove this picture watermark, you have to open Canva Pro account. Like here, try Canva Pro. Even if you want download, they will ask you money. So how much actually the Canva Pro is? Canva Pro is not take from you that big money actually. They're saying Canva Pro monthly 11.99. I think it's called euro, right? It's only in month, and if you want to contact with them or deal with them, there is the yearly contact also. But you can try it for 30 days. Okay, so you get the idea what you do and how you earn the money. So in the end, I want to tell you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, hit like button and comment in below. This is helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care and keep safe. Bye bye.